Yeah.
Yeah, but
It gets to a point where, first of all, you can't. This is a business where you can't just fire, and like obviously you can make changes to your boardroom and how much execs get paid,
no,
but
but I mean,
physical
like,
stores need
yeah,
employees. It's like you
yeah,
can't,
right,
you know,
right. Then I guess
you
yeah,
need them.
you have to do the what you're saying, right? Get rid of some stores. I mean, yeah, which is the ultimately the thing that they can always the card that they have under the sleeve. Like they can sell the real estate, and that will also cut costs of all the workers, and just
Yeah,
cut
but
some of the
they
stores
had the
out.
opportunity to sell real estate 3 times and they didn't take it,
Okay, that's
which
good. That's a
makes me
good
think
sign. No.
that management, no, but that was like 2021 where deal flow was much better. Nowadays, deal flow is like dried up, so they don't have that same kind of offer. And also, again, it's like if you're an Apollo is the company that tried to buy them their real estate in 2021.
Hmm.
You fast forward 4 years, Apollo now is looking at Kohl's as a situation where, okay, we could pay them $7.5 billion for their real estate, or we can just wait to see if they go bankrupt and we can get their real estate for like legitimately 10% of the value. You know what I mean?
Okay.
In a bankruptcy proceeding. So when they were in a good position and
Hmm.
revenue was only slowing, a lot of it was like attributed to COVID. People were using the COVID slowdown, which again, I don't think that's what
In
it was.
I mean, in this
I don't
case,
think
they
that's the
definitely
reason for
got
the
affected
slowdown.
a lot
But
because they even rebounded. But yeah.
the rhetoric at the time
Hmm.
was that every retailer is just experiencing a COVID slowdown. Um, so back then there was deal flow and people were willing to pay for those assets. Now I think any of those companies would look at Kohl's and say, "Oh, it's just a waiting game. Like I can get these assets for like way cheaper if I just wait for Kohl's to mess up." You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Which again, I think it's the risk is material for sure. It's not something that like you can say, "Oh, people are just getting it wrong."